Are you stuck in the daily grind, constantly thinking there has to be an easier way to make money? What if I told you that with the power of artificial intelligence, you could start earning $8,837 or more every month by selling digital products? It's not just a dream, it's a real opportunity that thousands of people are already cashing in on. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it too. Today, I'm going to break down 5 easy-to-create AI-powered digital products that anyone can sell online in 2024. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert, you don't need a big budget, and you don't need to spend months building these products. AI does most of the work for you. So, if you're looking for a simple way to generate passive income using the latest technology, stick around because this video is going to give you everything you need to get started. Why AI digital products are the future. Before we dive into the specific products, let's talk about why this is such a huge opportunity. Why AI digital products? Why now? Here's the deal. AI technology has advanced in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. With tools like ChatGPT for content generation, Midjourney for creating digital artwork, and Canva's AI-powered design features, you can create high-quality digital products faster and easier than ever before. These tools do the heavy lifting for you, handling everything from writing to design, which means you can focus on scaling your business instead of getting bogged down in the details. The other major factor is demand. The market for digital products, whether it's ebooks, online courses, printables, or digital planners, has exploded. People are buying these products because they offer convenience, flexibility, and immediate value. As more people seek out knowledge, productivity tools, and even entertainment in digital form, this is where you can capitalize. Combine that with AI doing most of the hard work for you, and you're looking at a goldmine of opportunities. Let's not waste any more time. Here are the 5 easiest AI-powered digital products you can start selling right now. 1. AI-generated ebooks. First up, we have AI-generated ebooks. Ebooks are one of the best digital products to sell because once you've created them, they can generate passive income month after month without any additional work. In 2024, writing an ebook doesn't have to take months anymore. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI, you can create a fully fleshed out ebook in just a matter of days. Here's how to get started. Step 1, choose your niche. The first step is choosing the right niche. Think about a topic that you're passionate about or that you know is in demand. Popular niches include personal finance, productivity, fitness, self-help, and business strategies. You don't need to be an expert in these fields. AI can help you research and generate the content, but picking a niche that interests you will make the process more enjoyable. Step 2, generate content using AI. Once you've picked your niche, use an AI tool like ChatGPT to create the content. Start by having the AI generate an outline for your ebook. For example, if you're writing about productivity, you could ask, "Give me a 10-chapter outline for an ebook on productivity tips for busy entrepreneurs." Once you have the outline, you can use AI to expand each chapter, paragraph by paragraph. Just input a prompt like, "Write 500 words on time management strategies for busy professionals." And within seconds, you'll have a fully written section. Step 3, edit and format. AI-generated content is good, but you'll need to spend some time editing it. Make sure the content flows naturally, aligns with your voice, and is factually accurate. After you've refined the content, you can format the book using tools like Canva or even Microsoft Word to create a professional-looking ebook. Step 4, sell on Amazon or other platforms. Once your ebook is ready, upload it to platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Gumroad, or even your own website. Kindle is especially popular because it gives you access to millions of potential readers. Many authors are making $1,000 to $5,000 a month selling ebooks, and with AI helping you produce the content, you can create multiple ebooks in a short period, increasing your potential revenue. 2. Printables and digital planners. The next AI product on our list is Printables and digital planners. These are perfect for people who love organization, design, and helping others stay productive. If you've ever been on Etsy, you know how popular printable meal planners, budget templates, and goal-setting sheets are. AI can make creating these products incredibly simple, even if you don't have a design background. Step 1, use AI to generate ideas and content. Let's say you want to create a budgeting planner. You can ask ChatGPT for a list of must-have categories for a financial planner. It might generate things like monthly expenses, debt tracking, and savings goals. Once you have the structure, you can move on to design. Step 2, design with AI tools. Canva's AI-powered design features allow you to create professional quality printables in just minutes. You can use Canva's templates and drag and drop tools to build something visually appealing, or you can even ask an AI tool like Midjourney to help with design elements, like creating background patterns or unique icons. Step 3, sell on Etsy or your website. Etsy is one of the biggest marketplaces for digital planners and printables. You can also sell these products on your own site using platforms like Shopify or Gumroad. The great thing about Printables is that once they're created, they require no additional work. You create them once and you can sell them over and over again. Many sellers on Etsy are earning anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month just from Printables. And with AI, you can easily scale this by creating multiple products to fill different niches, like fitness planners, wedding planners, or productivity journals. 3 AI-generated stock photos and art. Next, we have AI-generated stock photos and art. If you've ever thought about selling stock photos or custom artwork but didn't have the time or artistic skill, AI has changed the game. Now, tools like DALL-E or midjourney can create stunning, high-quality images from just a text prompt. Step 1. Generate images with AI. With AI image generators, you can create anything from abstract art to realistic photos. All you have to do is input a text prompt like a sunset over a mountain range or futuristic city skyline, and the AI will produce multiple high-resolution images in seconds. Step 2. Sell on stock photo platforms. Once you have a collection of images, you can upload them to stock photo platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or iStock Photo. Each time someone downloads one of your images, you earn royalties. The more images you upload, the more chances you have to earn money. Step 3. Sell custom art. If you're feeling creative, you can also offer custom AI-generated artwork on sites like Etsy or Redbubble. People are always looking for unique, one-of-a-kind art pieces, and with AI, you can produce these quickly and easily. Stock photography is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and top creators are earning thousands of dollars in passive income every month. With AI tools at your disposal, you can build a massive library of photos and art without spending years learning photography or design skills. 4. AI Voiceover Services. Coming in at number 4 is something a bit different. AI Voiceover Services. Voiceovers are in huge demand for things like explainer videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and commercials. But here's the cool part. You don't need a professional studio or even your own voice to offer these services. AI tools can generate professional quality voiceovers from text in a matter of seconds. Step 1. Use AI voice tools. Tools like Murph AI or Descript allow you to input text and generate a voiceover using synthetic voices. These voices sound incredibly lifelike, and you can even choose from different accents and tones depending on your client's needs. Step 2. Offer on freelancing platforms. You can offer AI voiceover services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Since you can generate voiceovers quickly with AI, you'll be able to deliver projects faster than traditional voiceover artists. This speed will help you stand out and win more clients. Step 3. Build passive income. Once you have a few satisfied clients and some solid reviews, your business will start to snowball. Top sellers on Fiverr are making up to $2,000 a month just from voiceover gigs, and with AI handling most of the work, this is a great opportunity for anyone looking to break into a new niche. 5. AI-generated social media content packages. Last but not least, let's talk about AI-generated social media content packages. Businesses, influencers, and entrepreneurs are always looking for engaging social media content, but creating posts, captions, and hashtags can be time-consuming. This is where AI steps in to make your life easier. Step 1. Use AI to generate captions and posts. Using ChatGPT, you can generate entire batches of social media posts in minutes. Just provide the AI with some prompts or themes, like motivational quotes, product promotions, or blog post snippets, and it will spit out polished captions ready to go. Step 2. Automate graphics with AI. Canva's AI features can also help you design eye-catching graphics to go along with your posts. Whether it's an Instagram story template or a promotional banner, you can whip up professional quality visuals without being a designer. Step 3. Sell packages to small businesses. Offer these content packages to small businesses, influencers, or bloggers who need help maintaining their social media presence. You can create bundles with ready-made posts for a month's worth of content. Once you've built a few packages, you can sell them over and over again to different clients. Freelancers offering social media content services are earning $500 to $5,000 per month, and AI makes it possible for you to scale your business by handling multiple clients at once. So there you have it, 5 easy AI-powered digital products that you can start selling online right now to make $8,737 or more every month. Whether it's ebooks, printables, stock photos, voiceovers, or social media content, AI is giving you the tools to turn your ideas into income faster than ever before. The best part? These products can generate passive income. Once they're created, you can sell them over and over again without putting in more time or effort. So what are you waiting for? Start leveraging AI to build your digital product empire today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips on how to grow your online business. Let's make 2024 the year of AI-powered success.